Hello, my dear little shining stars. How are you all? I hope you all are doing really very well. In our today's class, we are going to discuss our chapter number 9. Okay, and the name of this chapter is this, that, these, those. Okay, so in this chapter, my dear student, we are going to see where we are going to use this, that, these, or those. First of all, we are going to see where we are going to use this, THIS, this. We use this when we speak of something that is near to us. Okay, so my dear student, whenever we are talking about something which is very near to us, in this case we are going to use THIS, this. Here examples you can see. This is a table. This table is made of wood. Here you can see table is. Okay, table is presented in front of this boy. Okay, now so this, I hope the concept is clear. Whenever we are talking about anything which is very close to us, in this case we are going to use this. Now where we are going to use that? We use that when we speak of something that is far from us. Okay, whenever we are talking about anything which is very far from us. Okay, so in this case we are going to use that, THAT, that. Example you can see, that is a mountain. That mountain is very big. Okay, so here you can see that boy is talking about that is a mountain and that mountain is very big. Okay, so whenever we are talking about anything which is very close to us or near to us, we use THIS, this. And on the other hand, when we are talking about those things which are very far from us, in this case we use THAT, that. Okay, we use this and that for naming words that mean one singular. Now see, we use THIS, this, and THAT, that for singular things. Means whenever we are talking about one person, one thing, one animal, or one place. Okay, in this case we use this or that. Now come with me and let's complete the activity sheet number 23 of this chapter. Look at the pictures and write this or that in each blank. Okay, so here my dear student, that is a kite because kite is far from this boy. Now this is a mango. The mango is in the hand of the girl. That's why we write here this. Now dash is a chair. Here what we are going to use, this or that? That, because chair is far. So here that is a chair. Now what we are going to write here? This girl is holding fish in his hand. It means this. This is a fish. Now dash is a boy. Okay, so here we are going to use that is a boy because that boy is far from this boy. Dash is a girl. This is a girl. Okay, in this way, my dear student, you have to complete 7 and 8 according to the suitability of this and that. Now, activity sheet number 24. Look at each picture carefully. Complete the questions with this or that. Here, my dear student, question words are given. Okay, and according to this question words, you have to write this or that to complete those sentences. First one is, what is this? This ball is nearer to us. It is a ball. What is that? That is an aeroplane. Now, what is that? What is dash? It is a fish. Fish is nearer. So, what is this? It is a fish. Now, what is that? It is a helicopter. Now, what is this? Because banana is close to this boy. Now, what is this? Okay? Okay, my dear student, in this way, you have to complete 7, 8 and 9 by using this or that. Okay, now my dear student, come with me and let's see in what cases we use these and those. See, we use THIS, this, for the objects which is nearer to us, and we use THAT, that, for those objects which is far from us. But this and that both are used for singular things. But what about plural things? Okay, if anything is more than one, okay, it is called as plural. So in plural case, my dear student, we use these and those. So where we use this, let's see. We use this when we speak of many things that are near to us. Okay, so we use, my dear student, this these. THESE, whenever we are talking about anything, okay, whenever we are talking about many things, okay, but near to us is called as, here we use this. Example, you can see, these are tables. This tables belongs to Mr. Rajan, okay. Now those, where we are going to use those? We use those when we speak of many things that are far from us, okay. So whenever we are talking about more than one thing but far from us, there we use those, THOSE. Example, you can see, those are clouds, those clouds bring rain, okay. Now we use this and those for naming words that mean more than one, okay. So my dear student, we use THESE, these, and THOSE, those, for plural objects, okay. I hope, my dear student, the difference between these four words, this, that, these, those, is clear to you all, okay. For singular thing we use this, and that, and for plural thing we use these and those, okay. Now come with me and complete the exercise of based on these and those. Now see, look at the pictures and write these or those in each blank. Now these are bananas. Here these is written because banana is closer to this boy. Now those are monkeys. Here those are written because those monkeys are far from this boy. Okay, now see, here what we are going to write, these or those, these, because these kittens are close to this boy. So THESE, these are kittens. Those are puppies because puppies are far from this boy. Those are puppies. Now dash are kites. So kites are also far from this boy. So those are kites. That dash are balloons. These balloons are closer to this boy. So here these are balloons. Okay. In this way, my dear student, you are going to complete 7 and 8. Okay. Now activity sheet number 26. In this activity sheet number 26, what we have to do? Look at each picture carefully. Complete the questions with these or those. Okay. Here some questions are written. Okay. And you have to fill proper these and those according to its suitability. What are these? These are balloons because these balloons are close to this boy. What are those? Those are clouds because those clouds are far from this boy. What are, now what are these? Okay, what are these or what are those? What are these? No, what are those? Because grapes are also far from this boy. Okay, so these are grapes. What are these? Okay, because these hands are closer to this boys. What are those? Because cars are far from both boys. What are those? Because buses are far from them. Those are buses. Similarly, my dear student, you have to complete 7, 8 and 9. Okay. In this way, my dear student, we have completed our chapter number 9. Okay. Now what you have to do, just go thoroughly through this chapter and try to complete all the exercise which I have given you as your homework. Okay. Now I'm taking leave, my dear student, going to meet with you all in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, my dear students, you have to take very good care of yourself and keep and have a very big smile on your face. Till then, my dear student, take care of yourself. Bye.